What if success isn't about talent, luck, or even intelligence? What if the biggest difference between successful people and everyone else is what they do every single day? Today, let's uncover the simple daily habits that quietly shape extraordinary success. Highly successful people don't live completely different lives, but they do follow powerful routines. Small actions repeated daily create massive results over time. Let's look at the habits that truly set them apart. First, they start their day with intention. Successful people don't wake up and immediately scroll their phones. They plan their day, set priorities, or spend quiet time thinking. This helps them stay focused instead of reactive. Second, they protect their time. Time is treated like their most valuable resource. They schedule important tasks first, not last. Instead of being busy all day, they focus on what actually moves their goals forward. Third, they keep learning every single day. Reading, listening to podcasts, learning new skills. Growth never stops. Even 20 minutes of learning daily adds up to hundreds of hours a year. Fourth, they take care of their energy. Exercise, rest, and mental breaks are not optional. They're essential. High performance requires high energy. And finally, they stay consistent, even when they don't feel motivated. They understand that discipline beats motivation. Success isn't built in one big moment. It's built in small, daily actions. So, here's the truth. Success is not a secret formula. It's daily habits, repeated again and again. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life change over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me, which habit will you start today?